Hello, welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name is Brian. I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. Just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a Bailey Pegasus Rimini 2017 that we've currently got in our used stock. So here's a good look at that particular caravan. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got a side access hatch to underneath the front couch area. You've also got the benefit on this particular caravan of it already having a motor mover fitted, and then you've got an access hatch to underneath those rear single beds. You've got a barbecue point and also an exterior 240-volt socket located on the side there, with a stable door with bin and window. As we step inside, one of the unique features that you see with the Bailey range is this curved work surface and also work surface extension. That's to allow access for the gas bottle, which is located at the side of these particular models. You've got the wonderful fabric scheme in this 2017, which has been clearly really well looked after by the previous customer. Because the gas bottle is on the side, it enables this front chest area to be recessed back to give a far better living space in the lounge area. You're benefiting from the Truma blow air heating system in this particular model, where you see the vents dotted around, and you've got this wonderful front lap window letting a huge amount of light into the caravan, giving a fantastic feeling of space. A generous Hecky light in the lounge area, again letting further light into the caravan. A beautiful look at the wood locker effect that you see throughout this particular caravan. You've got an easy usable height microwave just located above the cooker, where you're benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with underpan storage. Another unique feature in this is the nice tall fridge. As we step forward to the single bed bedroom area, the locker effect going further throughout in the bedroom area with a nice medium-sized Hecky light. And you also have a television point in the bedroom area should that be a need and a consideration for you. As we step through to the very spacious bathroom area with an individual shower cubicle, a beautiful finish on the sink with storage underneath, and then a nice large wardrobe located just next to the toilet. So that gives you a real good feel and a good understanding for what this Bailey Pegasus Rimini 2017 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. I hope you enjoy the walk round tour, and I hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.